Let's see how we can configure WebDriverManager to download, set up, and maintain browser driver in a fully automated manner in Selenium using Java language. WebDriverManager is an open source Java library. This is available in jar form so that we can incorporate it in our program. It takes care of the management like download, setup, and maintenance of the browser drivers that is needed by Selenium WebDrivers. WebDriverManager has other features as well, like it has the capability to discover browsers installed in the local machine. Also, it helps in building WebDriver objects such as Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Edge driver, etc., and running browsers in Docker containers seamlessly. WebDriver Manager fully automates the process of browser driver management. However, manually the same can be done using system.set property and environment variable. The process of manually managing browser driver using system.set property and environment variable is explained in another video, and that I'll be attaching in the description or info box. Please go through it for better understanding. This is a three-step process. Download WebDriver Manager jar, include the downloaded jar in your project, and make required code changes. So let's see how this can be done practically. I am going to the Maven Central Repository browser, which is mbnrepository.com, and from there I am searching WebDriver Manager jar. Now I will copy the POM details of the latest stable jar available if I am using a Maven project. If I'm not using a Maven project, rather a simple project where the jar files needs to be included manually in the build path, then I'll go ahead and download the jar and keep it in my local machine. Now we will include the jar in our project. For Maven project, I'll paste the copied POM details in my pom.xml. Normal projects, I'll go to the Java build path and include the downloaded jar there, like so. Please go through the video attached in the description card to see how to write your first program in Selenium and how to attach the jar files to build path. We have downloaded the jars, included them in our project. Now, as last step, we will be doing the code changes. Let's start with the simplest Selenium Java program. Here I am just opening Google homepage, maximizing it. Then in the search box I am entering YouTube, pressing enter and verifying the search results whether I have been navigated to the search result page or not. So writing of this program has been explained in another video that I'll be linking in the info and description box as well. Please go through it to see the step-by-step process of why we are writing each line and why it is needed. Now let's start with required code changes to configure WebDriver Manager. I will comment both the system.set property lines now they are no more needed. We will do the same process through WebDriver Manager. I'll write WebDriverManager.ChromeDriver.setup, which will take care of all the setups. Then I will instantiate the WebDriver. These highlighted three lines are all the changes that we need to do in our program. Now we are ready to run the program without worrying about the browser version available in our machine and the driver version we need to download for it. It will open the Google page. It will enter YouTube in the search box. Wait for 3 seconds, then quit the browser. Thank you. Please provide your valuable comments and suggestions. Consider liking the video and subscribing the channel.